How professional engine builders use carbide burrs. Professional engine builders rely on carbide burrs as some of the most important tools in their machining and cylinder head preparation process. Whether they are building a high-horsepower racing engine, a competitive drag racing motor, a circle track engine, or a reliable street performance build, carbide burrs allow precise shaping, material removal, and airflow improvements that can directly affect engine performance. Unlike basic grinding tools, high-quality tungsten carbide burrs provide the cutting ability, durability, and control needed for detailed engine work. Professional builders understand that successful porting is not about removing the most material possible, but about strategically improving airflow, optimizing combustion efficiency, and creating a cylinder head that matches the specific requirements of the engine application. Carbide burrs are commonly used during cylinder head porting, intake and exhaust runner modifications, combustion chamber reshaping, gasket matching, dole blending, and custom engine fabrication. The ability to carefully remove small amounts of material allows engine builders to fine-tune airflow characteristics that cannot always be achieved with factory castings. Each engine type has different requirements, meaning the porting approach used for a drag racing engine may be completely different from the approach used for a street-driven performance engine. Professional builders select specific carbide burr shapes, cutting styles, and sizes based on the desired performance goals. Carbide burrs in racing engines. Racing engines are built with one primary goal: maximum performance. Every component is carefully optimized to improve horsepower, reliability, and efficiency. Carbide burrs play an important role in preparing racing cylinder heads because airflow is one of the biggest factors affecting engine power output. A professional engine builder uses carbide burrs to reshape intake ports, improve exhaust flow, refine combustion chambers, and remove manufacturing imperfections that can limit performance. In competition racing engines, even small airflow improvements can make a measurable difference on the track. Professional porters carefully study airflow patterns and use carbide burrs to remove restrictions in areas such as the short side radius, valve bowl, and runner transitions. The goal is not simply to make parts larger, but to create a smoother and more efficient path for air to enter and exit the combustion chamber. Flame-shaped carbide burrs are commonly used for detailed shaping in racing cylinder heads. Their tapered design allows builders to reach deep into intake and exhaust runners while maintaining excellent control. These burrs are especially useful when reshaping valve guide areas, blending transitions, and refining areas where airflow changes direction. Tree-shaped carbide burrs are often used during the rough porting stage of racing cylinder heads. Their larger cutting surface allows professional builders to remove casting material quickly and establish the basic port shape before moving to more precise tools. This saves time while still allowing accurate final shaping. Oval and ball-shaped carbide burrs are frequently used during the final stages of port development. These shapes help create smooth curves, blend surfaces, and refine areas where airflow quality is critical. Professional builders often combine multiple burr shapes during a single cylinder head project to achieve the best possible results. Carbide burrs in circle track engines. Circle track engines require a unique combination of horsepower, torque, throttle response, and durability. Unlike drag racing engines that may operate at maximum power for only a few seconds, circle track engines often run at high RPM for extended periods. Because of this, professional builders must balance airflow improvements with long-term reliability. Carbide burrs are used extensively in circle track cylinder head preparation to improve airflow while maintaining strong port velocity. A common mistake among inexperienced builders is creating oversized ports that reduce airflow speed. Professional engine builders understand that maintaining velocity is critical for throttle response and consistent power throughout a race. Bowl blending is one of the most common carbide burr applications in circle track engines. The area beneath the valve seat often contains casting restrictions that disrupt airflow. Carefully blending this transition improves air movement around the valve and increases cylinder filling efficiency. Professional circle track engine builders also use carbide burrs to reshape valve guide bosses. These areas can create turbulence inside the intake runner. By carefully reducing and reshaping the guide boss, builders can improve airflow while maintaining enough material for proper valve guide support. Exhaust port work is also important in circle track applications. Carbide burrs allow builders to remove casting imperfections and improve exhaust gas evacuation. A properly shaped exhaust port can help improve scavenging efficiency, allowing the engine to operate more effectively at high RPM. Carbide burrs in drag racing engines. Drag racing engines are among the most demanding applications for carbide burr technology. These engines are designed to produce extreme horsepower levels in short periods of time, and airflow optimization is critical. Professional drag racing engine builders spend countless hours refining cylinder heads because even small improvements can translate into faster elapsed times. Carbide burrs are used extensively in drag racing cylinder head development. Builders use them to maximize airflow through intake runners, optimize valve bowl areas, reshape combustion chambers, and create precise transitions throughout the cylinder head. In drag racing applications, intake port design is extremely important. Professional builders carefully shape intake runners to provide the ideal balance between airflow volume and velocity.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.